All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're unpacking the brand new 2025 report from the Affiliation Digital Academy. It's basically a roadmap to the essential AI toolkit for any researcher right now. The report kicks off with this really powerful idea, and honestly, it's the key to understanding everything else. We've moved way past just asking AI to, check our grammar. We are now talking about a genuine partner in discovery, from the very beginning of a project to the final word. So, you might be asking, why is this big shift happening now? Well, the report points to one massive problem, calling it the information tsunami. Think about it. Millions of new articles are published every year. Just typing keywords into a search bar, it just doesn't cut it anymore. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. This is the exact challenge this new ecosystem of AI tools is built to solve. So, here's our game plan. We're going to follow the report's structure, breaking down the AI-powered workflow into three main stages: finding knowledge, analyzing information, and creating your work. And then we'll take a look at where this is all headed with the idea of an all-in-one AI partner. Okay, let's start where every research project begins, finding what you actually need to read. This first stage is all about moving past that simple, old-school search bar and into this whole new world of smart discovery engines. The report immediately highlights a huge shift in strategy. Instead of just giving you a list of links, tools like ConsensusAI are answer engines. You can literally ask it a question like, what does science say about intermittent fasting? And it summarizes the consensus from top papers. Meanwhile, SciteAI adds this crucial layer of context, telling you not just that a paper was cited, but how. Was it supported or was it challenged by the rest of the scientific community? That's a game changer. The report also gets into a really fascinating category: visual discovery tools. Think of ResearchRabbit as the Spotify of academic papers. You feed it one paper you like, and it creates this visual social network of other papers you should check out. Litmaps, on the other hand, builds a family tree for an idea, showing you how it developed over time. With these tools, you can grasp an entire field's landscape in minutes, a job that used to take days of tedious reading. Okay, so you've found your papers. Now what? Stage 2 is all about analysis. And this is where, according to the report, things get really futuristic. We're moving away from passively reading a PDF and toward having an active dialogue with the research itself. This is where it starts to feel a bit like science fiction. The report shows that tools like Scispace's Copilot let you literally have a conversation with a dense, technical paper. You can ask it to explain a table in simple terms or define a piece of jargon. UnriddleAI takes that a step further, letting you ask a question across your entire library of documents at once. And then you have something like ScholarC, which is like magic. It zaps a paper and turns it into a structured flashcard, pulling out the hypotheses, methods, and key findings for you. And we're not just talking about simple summaries here. The report really emphasizes how this is a game changer for qualitative researchers. A tool like LateralAI can automate thematic analysis, a process that used to take weeks of painstaking manual work, finding key concepts and patterns across hundreds of interviews or historical texts. And it's not just for text. On the quantitative side, the report points to tools like Julius AI, which are making data science accessible to absolutely everyone. You can just upload a spreadsheet and type, in plain English, show me the correlation between variable A and variable B as a scatter plot. And just like that, it does it for you. No need to know how to code in R or Python. Right, we've found our sources, we've analyzed them. Now it's time for the final stage, creating your own original work. This is all about turning that dreaded writer's block into a productive partnership with your AI. The report features a whole new class of writing tools. GenAI acts as a co-pilot, suggesting how to finish your sentence and even adding the correct citation while you type. Then, when your draft is done, a tool like PaperPal steps in. It's not just a grammar checker, it's a specialized academic editor, giving suggestions to meet those tough publication standards. And of course, the report includes language platforms like DeepL, which are critical for anyone working across languages. Now, the affiliation report makes a really crucial distinction here. A writing partner, like GenAI, helps you get from that terrifying blank page to a solid first draft. It works with you. An academic editor, like PaperPal, takes that finished draft and perfects it. It works on your text. Knowing this difference is absolutely key to using these tools the right way. So, where is all this technology heading? The report identifies what it calls a rising trend. All these amazing individual tools are starting to merge into these powerful all-in-one platforms. The report lays out a really clear evolution.
First, we had specialized tools that were great at solving one specific problem. Then we saw the rise of copilots that helped with writing. And now we're entering the era of fully integrated workspaces, single platforms designed to manage your entire research workflow, from discovery to final draft, all in one place.
So, what's the ultimate takeaway from the 2025 Affiliation Digital Academy report? It's this. The goal isn't to find one single best AI tool that does everything. The real goal is for you to become the architect of your own personalized AI toolkit, mixing and matching these different platforms to perfectly fit your field, your project, and your unique way of working.
And this brings us to a final, pretty profound question. The report makes it clear that AI is moving from a simple tool to a true research partner. So, as it takes on more and more of the heavy lifting, the searching, the summarizing, the data analysis, what does that free us, the human researchers, up to do? What new, complex, creative questions will our curiosity finally be free to conquer? That is the exciting future this entire ecosystem promises.